What if one simple home care trick could help a weak Anthurium, with dull leaves and fewer blooms, slowly come back full of life? In today's video, I'm going to share a natural, chemical-free method that can help your Anthurium grow stronger, develop glossy green leaves, and encourage beautiful blooms all year round. The best part is that you don't need expensive fertilizers, just a few familiar kitchen ingredients are enough to care for your plant effectively. Make sure you watch until the end, because this easy method may completely change the way you care for Anthuriums at home. First, I'm going to check my Anthurium carefully. I can see several yellow leaves, dry leaves, and some weak, wilted stems that no longer look healthy. So I'm going to remove these dry leaves and wilted stems to improve airflow, reduce the risk of fungal problems, and help the plant stop wasting energy on weak parts. After proper pruning, the plant will have better airflow, use its nutrients more efficiently, and have better conditions to recover and produce healthy new leaves in the coming days. By the way, which country are you watching from? I'm so happy to welcome you to Plant Care Garden. Leave a comment below. I'm always happy to connect with plant lovers from around the world. Now, I'm going to prepare a very simple cinnamon mixture to help care for my Anthurium. I'll use 1 teaspoon of cinnamon powder, add it to 1 liter of boiling water, and stir it well so the cinnamon can slowly release its natural properties into the water. In addition to Vietnamese, the video is also dubbed in other languages such as English, French, German, Spanish, Portuguese, Japanese, Hindi, Dutch, Polish, Italian, and Indonesian. You can easily change the language by going to the video settings and selecting the language that works best for you. Then I'll let this mixture sit for about 30 minutes, allowing the water to cool down and giving the solution enough time to infuse evenly before use. The second ingredient I'm going to use is rice, a very familiar ingredient found in almost every kitchen. I'll add 3 tablespoons of rice into a clean glass jar, then pour in 1 liter of boiling water, and stir well so the nutrients from the rice can begin to release into the water. Rice contains B vitamins, minerals, and natural starch, which can gently support the plant with mild nutrients. In particular, rice water can help support better root development, while encouraging greener leaves and a healthier looking plant. Next, I'll let this mixture soak for about 30 minutes so the natural nutrients from the rice can slowly release into the water. After the cinnamon mixture has soaked for about 30 minutes, I'll stir it well one more time so the cinnamon essence blends more evenly into the water. Next, I'll use a strainer to remove the cinnamon residue and keep only the clear liquid for the plant. This filtering step helps keep the solution cleaner and prevents residue from sticking to the leaves or settling on the soil surface when watering. After filtering, I'll add about 1,000 milliliters of room temperature water to dilute the solution, making the cinnamon water gentler and more suitable for watering the soil or lightly spraying on the leaves. Now the cinnamon solution is ready to use. It naturally supports Anthurium care, helps the plant recover better, and reduces overly damp conditions where fungus may develop. Step 1. I'll use a clean cotton pad or a soft clean cloth and gently dip it into the diluted cinnamon solution. Then I'll gently wipe the entire surface of the Anthurium leaves, from the top to the underside, to remove dust and keep the leaves cleaner. When the leaves are clean, the plant can receive light more easily, photosynthesize better, and become greener and more vibrant. The diluted cinnamon solution also helps care for the leaf surface naturally, supporting the reduction of mold, bacteria, and tiny insects that often hide under the leaves. These are some of the reasons leaves may become weak, turn yellow, wilt, or develop unwanted spots on the surface. While wiping the leaves, I can also check the plant more carefully. If I notice leaf spots, small pests, or weak areas, I can handle them early. During the wiping process, I'll work very gently, avoid rubbing the leaf surface too hard, and wipe both sides evenly so the leaves stay cleaner and better ventilated. With this method, it should only be applied once every 7 to 10 days. There's no need to do it too often, so the leaves have time to dry and stay airy while the plant receives gentler care. After wiping, I'll place the plant in a cool, airy spot with gentle light, allowing the leaf surface to dry naturally and helping the plant recover better. This is a simple but very helpful step to keep Anthurium leaves clean, green, healthy, and full of life. Step 2. After cleaning the leaves, I'll pour the remaining cinnamon solution into a spray bottle to continue caring for the Anthurium. I'll spray a thin, even mist over the entire plant, from the top of the leaves and the underside up, the leaves to the stems and the soil around the base. During spraying, it's important to work gently, avoid spraying too close, and avoid soaking the leaves, because prolonged moisture can lead to leaf problems. The diluted cinnamon solution can help clean the plant surface and reduce overly damp conditions where mold, bacteria, and tiny insects may develop. When sprayed properly, the plant becomes better ventilated, the leaf surface stays cleaner, and the base receives gentle care as well. With this method, it should only be applied once every 7 to 10 days. There's no need to spray too often to avoid keeping the leaves and soil moist for too long. After spraying, I'll place the plant in a cool, airy spot with gentle light so the leaves can dry naturally and the plant can continue recovering better. Next, I'll filter the rice that has soaked for about 30 minutes to collect the nutrient-rich water for the plant. First, I'll stir the mixture well so the nutrients from the rice are more evenly blended. Then I'll begin filtering. I'll mix the rice water with the diluted cinnamon solution prepared earlier. Then stir well so the mixture blends together and becomes more even. When combined, they create a natural care mixture that supports Anthurium recovery, root nourishment, and healthier green growth. Step 3. After the cinnamon solution and rice water have been stirred evenly, I'll use this mixture to water the Anthurium's growing medium. I'll pour it slowly around the base, allowing the solution to soak evenly into the growing medium and gently reach the roots. Rice water provides natural nutrients such as starch, B vitamins, and minerals, supporting better root absorption. Combined with the cinnamon solution, this mixture helps care for the root area more naturally, supporting recovery and healthier green growth. After watering, I'll let the plant sit in the mixture for about 10 minutes, giving the roots time to absorb it gradually. After about 10 minutes of soaking in the cinnamon and rice water mixture, I'll gently take the Anthurium out of the solution. Next, I'll place the plant in indirect light, which means soft, natural light without harsh sunlight hitting the leaves directly. Step 4. I'll use a soft, clean cloth to gently wipe away any water still sitting on the leaves. This step is very important because if water stays too long on the leaves or in the leaf joints, the plant may develop mold, leaf spots, or leaf rot. While wiping, I'll work gently without rubbing too hard, just enough to keep the leaves dry, clean, and better ventilated. Then I'll keep the plant in a cool, airy place with gentle airflow so the leaves can continue drying naturally and the plant can settle back in. This is a small but very important step that helps the Anthurium settle after care and keeps the leaves clean, green, and healthier. With this natural method, cinnamon helps support the leaves and root area, while rice water provides gentle nutrients for the plant. With proper care and patience, Anthurium will have a better chance to recover, grow greener leaves, and develop more steadily over time. Thank you for watching until the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you again in the next videos.